Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First, put all your talangka or small crabs into a pot. Then, pour in your coconut milk. Minced garlic. Salt. Then, let it simmer. Once it's about to boil, add in your chopped ginger. Leave and wait for it to boil. Once it looks like this, add in your green or red chilies. Afterwards, add in your water spinach or kangkong on top of your crabs and coconut milk. Let the vegetables cook for a few minutes. Once it is cooked, it should look like this. And that is how you make our talangka cooked in coconut milk.
Yum. So delicious. Thanks for watching.